Something about his manners. Hope I know now. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'll do it forever in a minute. That's on my night.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you already subscribed, then welcome back, my darling. But if you have not yet subscribed, then sugar booga, you need to subscribe. Subscribe and join a part of our family and the community we have growing over here on YouTube, and also for more content like this, be sure to like this video. And while you're down there hitting the subscribe button, because I have faith that you will, also be sure to smash, I hate that. I hate when people say smash the notification button. Hit the notification bell for all notifications, and become a part of the Morgan Shay Notify gang. Today, this is probably one of my most requested videos to do of all time, because I let you guys know a while back that I box dye my hair. I have jet black hair and I have gray roots, as you can see. I actually went and pulled my hair apart so you guys could see that grow in. Yes, sister, and I've let them grow. Quarantine has been real to me, and I just recently reordered my Bellamy Bugatti hair extensions. Not sponsored, obviously, but they are my favorite extensions in the world. They last for ages, and you can do everything with them, and they're just like a tried and true. You know what I'm saying? And plus, I use Trisha Paytas's code, save some money, you know, so they're on their way. And I do have like medium length hair. It goes to about here. So with the extensions, it's just fuller and just so, I'm so excited to get them. So, this is the box dye that I use. I actually got a shade darker than I normally get. This is actually the natural blue black, and I normally just get like the natural black. Always use the Revlon. It's super affordable, and a lot of people who I talk to who have darker hair, I don't know if I would suggest this brand if you were blonde. I would probably just say go to a stylist, you know what I'm saying? But for just plain old black hair, I've never had an issue with it. But a lot of my friends who have taken their hair darker and they went like black, I tell them about this and they'll never get it because it is so cheap. It's literally $2.98 at Walmart. So we're gonna try it. I probably won't leave it on too long. Probably as soon as my grays start to turn, I'll probably just go ahead and take it off, but we'll zoom up in so you all can get a real good shot at these roots, because baby, they are in there, and it's in the middle, like my middle part. It's like really where I like to part my hair, ma'am. Ma'am. I have my trusty, we all have this shirt. Don't you lie to me. Don't play with me. You know you have this shirt sitting in your house somewhere. The shirt that you dye your hair in. Come on now. It's raggedy and ugly, but baby, it's the shirt that you don't give a shit if you mess up. And somehow I've managed to never drop color on it. But anytime that I don't have this shirt and I have to dye my hair in some other type of attire, it messes up. I'm like, ma'am. So yeah, let's get this Big Daddy shirt on, and let's get to mixing this dye. All right, sugar britches. So I got my crusty shirt on, also my bra's off because, you know, and we're also gonna have to take my makeup off as well, just because I'm gonna be putting dye on my hair. Okay, so I'm in my shirt and I don't have no bra on, so sorry about it. I'm just not gonna be able to pull it up over my head when I got my hair dye on. So I'm gonna put this little dingy purple towel here over my chair, because I'm gonna do this here for you guys. And then this chair also has like little covers over the arms, so I'm gonna take those off as well. And it doesn't matter if the background gets messed up at all, because this is actually going to be down tomorrow. Hairbrush, and I have got paper towels because I'm gonna lay it down here. I got my Walmart bag put on my head. Don't you? Y'all wanted this, okay? Y'all wanted my little redneck box dye hair routine, and you're getting it, okay? You're getting it. Karen. So, I love my ponytail extension hair that's in my brush. Gross. Okay, so I'm gonna lay my paper towels down so it doesn't get on anything here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off of my face. So, bye-bye lashes. It was great knowing you while you were here, you know? I don't know about y'all, but my ass hops in the shower, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, at the end of this video, I'm not gonna have no makeup on, so sorry, not sorry, Karen. If you didn't want to see me with freaking no makeup on, then question mark. I don't know what to tell you. All right, let me go, and this is a brand new Bellamy bamboo cloth. So I'm going to go and rinse her and get her wet, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna take my makeup off. We are doing this banjo style. Yes, baby. My channel was meant for it, you know? All right, let's go ahead and take the makeup off. We're gonna do a little bit of a speed through, okay? Let's go ahead and get on into it. Dye mix together. So you get the developer, the color, and it says ammonia free as well. You get the conditioner, which I always use this. Does anybody else use these? Because I do. I literally will. I always use them. I don't know why. I feel like if I don't, then, you know, something's gonna be messed up. But I don't use the gloves in these. They're crap. I have my own gloves. We're also going to trim my ends as well. Remember when Jenna Marbles used to do, I miss her so much on YouTube. Remember when she used to have like Jenna's Ratchet Salon? This is the vibe. That's the vibe that we're gonna be carrying over to here. All right, so I already know, sis, we're going to mix the color into here, shake it up, put it in her hair, you know? Same type of deal. I already did brush through my hair just to make sure that we can, you know, very easily like get in there. We're in the color in. We want every drop, honey. We want every single drop. Hey, babe, will you come shake my color for me really quick just to make sure that it's really like shook really well? For all of you guys who like to make comments about how Chris isn't real, I love how she makes up having a boyfriend. I have a fiance, a whole ass fiance. He just doesn't like a camera. It's looking a little brown. No, I'm good, baby. All right, here we go. We're going in. We're going in. I got paper towels down and stuff too. Main portion that I just need to make sure that's colored. So I go in there first. And you do want to be very careful, guys, because if this dye gets anywhere, talking also, not only am I talking like a professional, but talking like you all are going to go home and do this right now. That's hilarious, like a full-on tutorial. But no, for real, if you do go home and do this, like, please be careful. Because if you get this shit on anything, baby, it does not come off. We have it on the walls in our bathroom and everything else. You have to be so freaking careful. My roots are really only bad right through here. Oh man, I didn't put Vaseline. I didn't put Vaseline on myself either because we don't have any, so. So now once I get that portion, I'm basically just going to pick up my hair with this dye. You see how it's like blue black up here? That's the only issue that that's gonna come into play here, I know. I got black, but I got blue black, so like the blackest of them all. Chris says, We have still quite a bit left, so I think I'm just going to go through. I got it in my little twisty here. So I think we did pretty good not getting, you know, as much of the dye on us. This is another thing that paper towel is good for. You can just kind of wrap all of your garbage up in it, and that way you don't touch your hands to like the bottle or the gloves or anything, because it of course has that dye on it. Is put a bag around it just to try to contain some heat. Yes. Honestly, I've never looked better, and that's on period. You know, I've never looked better. Like, come on now. I really wish I would have had Chris take a picture of me in the kitchen sterilizing this Walmart bag. I literally took rubbing alcohol and like wiped the bag down, but it's going on my head. I don't know why I did it. Anyways, do not even judge me for a second. But yeah, I'm gonna let this stay on my head and probably for just only like 15 minutes. And then I'll be back and I'll be back before I go and wash it out. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right guys, I think I'm good. I think it's okay for me to rinse it out now because I've been checking it, and I don't want it to get, like I said, I don't want it to get too dark, and it's dark. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair out, take me a shower, and I've got this shit all over me. Rinse my hair, take me a shower, and I'll be back to like blow dry and be back for the final results of me box dye my hair. So be right back. All right, y'all, we are in our PJs and we are done. As you can see, my roots are good and covered up, but we're really not gonna know the true tea until our hair is blow dried. I'm just gonna first spray some argan oil. This is Moroccan oil, and it's like a leave-in spray. All right, now that we've got it good and brushed out, you can see even a little better that my roots are good and covered, so I can do my hair split down the middle, which is how your girl prefers it. Here is a one side. I only dry my hair like 75% or 80% dry, and I let it air dry the rest. I just don't like to put that much heat on my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and trim my ends in the front. and I will do the back. I'll have to do it in my mirror, like looking in another mirror. There's no way I can do it here. We're just gonna use our basic ass scissors. And I've got my close-up mirror here so that I can basically zoom in on my ends. Just keep the bag right here so that the hair can fall in it. Okay, so we got, I'll do it this way. I wasn't even thinking that you guys can't see, but we got the first part snipped here. How much hair we just chopped off, so not too much, just my little flyaway split endy hair. It's not my vibe, man. And that's about perfect. I'm gonna do about this much. And there we go. Again, I'll do the back of my hair in the bathroom where I have all my mirrors, but we cut about that much off so far. Well, I got these cute little clips from Walmart. I seen them and I was like, wait a minute. Like, how cute is that one? So cute. But anyways, guys, there is me box dyeing my hair with the Revlon Color Silk Beautiful Color. I think it turned out perfect. This is my natural hair color, and it's gonna match my extensions like so perfectly. It's going to be crazy. Thank you all so much for following me with the journey. If you stay till the very end, I love you all so much. Be sure that you do like this video for more videos like it. Also, again, we are on a new uploading schedule. So Mondays are beauty videos in some sense of the word, whether that be, it could also be fashion. It could also be a plus size clothing haul. It could be testing out some, brand. It could be a product review. It could be something. And this is a video, like I said, that you guys have requested for so long. I thought that I would show you guys. So Monday is a beauty video. Wednesdays are lives. Thursdays are either beauty and documentary breakdown or a my thoughts on video. And this week we have a beauty and documentary breakdown. Woo woo. Friday video. And now on Fridays is going to be a twist up video, meaning I can do whatever I want to do. It's just going to be the extra video of the week. So some weeks you'll get a Friday video and some weeks you may not. And of course, Sundays are story times. And for the next 30 days, we are doing shady Sunday story times. Be sure that you do subscribe before you leave and turn your notifications on to be a part of the Morgan Shay Notify gang, gang, gang. Do follow me on social media. Every platform that I'm active on is always down in the description box. Now, you guys, I love you all so stinking much. But until next time, my darling, till my baby darling, till the next time. Bye.
I shouldn't have had caffeine for bed. Nay. Shouldn't have done it.